Never say you're locked out. Always lock in. This is fricked up.
Make sure you pot at 5 if you want to.
No!
I said if you want to!
Shop, please do not. Please do
Oh,
not.
shit.
What inspiration will you find, I wonder?
Sorry, I did not mean to cast that. How embarrassing.
How embarrassing.
Look, it's nobody's mess to clean up but your own, so it's like, eh.
Aw.
What's your favorite color?
Unless somebody else is gonna heal again, but...
What's your favorite color?
Hello?
Yeah, oh.
Perhaps I'll draw this.
What the freak?
But
Love butt.
I love butt too. Especially 2B butt.
Oh! Wait, me too.
An image comes to me.
I'm wearing the pants!
Hot and sandy.
Well, not the, like, the underwear pants. Like the cute healer shorts.
More like 9S.
Yeah.
When I
Ninus is so cute.
Cold?
They go-
fellows.
Colt!
Cold?
Too bad.
Sorry,
buddy,
that's supposed to be
you're
Fire
suffering.
4.
Oh!
Watch out! It's a veritable storm of needles.
My phone fell off my lap.
Oh.
Oh, so that's what that was.
Sorry if you heard that thump. My bad.
It's fine. As long as you're okay.